Hey y'all, today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this curly headband wig that I got from TAHIKIE Hair, a hair company on Amazon. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You don't have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this 16-inch deep wave headband wig. This is the TAHIKIE Headband Wigs Deep Wave Brazilian Virgin Hair Non-Lace Front Wigs, Human Hair for Black Women, Curly Wave, Natural Color Machine-Made Wigs with Headbands, 150% density, 16-inch headband deep. And they also have some other inches if you're interested, but this 16-inch headband wig was $64.59. And there's more information and the link to purchase in my description box below if you're interested. Okay, so this is what my package looked like. I already opened it a little bit, so don't mind that. But it came in the Amazon packaging, then it had a pink mailer, and then it was in like this pink drawstring bag. It came with a one brown wig cap, a colorful headband, and the wig inside of a plastic bag and hairnet and all that. Alright, so first impressions of this wig. The hair is really soft, and as far as the smell, like it had a pack hair scent, if you know what I mean. As far as cap construction, there are 2 clips on the inside at the top and 1 clip to the bottom with adjustable straps. And there is a satin material headband with a little Velcro thing. The hair is really soft, and there was some shedding. Here's what the wig looks like fresh out of the package. Just before adding any product, any water, before combing it out. I did end up combing out the curls with my fingers. There was minimal shedding. Now I'm gonna go ahead and like install the wig, I guess. I'm gonna slick down my edges. All the products I'm using and the link to purchase is in my description box below if you're interested. But yeah, here I go. I'm just gonna slick down my edges like I always do. Well, maybe not always, but. And now that I'm done with my edges, I'm going to go ahead and close the little Velcro strap thing. And then I'm going to go ahead and get some leave-in conditioner and spray it on here and just play with it. Try to get, you know, a feel for the hair. See how these curls looking or whatever. As you can see, Mo wanted to be in the video, so I couldn't spray like how I wanted to without disturbing him. But you pretty much get the picture. And I did consider putting on that headband that came with the package, but it was just too much for the occasion. So anyways, this is the finished look. I really like this headband wig. I really like the texture of the hair. I ended up having to spray some water on it and brushing it out to make the curls really pop. I was able to wear it on both sides, middle part, and with a ponytail. None of the tracks were showing, so it's a really full wig. And this hair really looks natural. I'm probably not gonna wear it with a wet look, like soaking wet, but I even got asked if it was my real hair. Alright, so that concludes this video. I want to give a big shout out to, let me look up the name of these people before I say it wrong. Alright, so that concludes this video. I want to give a big shout out to TAHIKIE Hair on Amazon for this wig. And I want to give a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much.